Hello everyone, I am Suchita Morin. Welcome you all in video lecture on topic first order differential equation part 1. Differential equation play a prominent role in many disciplines including engineering, physics, economics, biology and so on. Many fundamental laws of physics and chemistry can be formulated as differential equation. Out of these some applications are Newton's law of cooling, law of nature of growth and decay, rate of decay of radioactive material, and applications in electrical and mechanical system. Differential equation is a branch of pure and applied mathematics. Differential equation is a mathematical equation that relates a function with its derivative. Derivative means the rate of change of one variable with respect to the other, and it gives physical quantities. Differential equation first came into existence with the invention of calculus by Newton and Leibniz. Formation of differential equation, example number 1. In this formulation, we consider the equation of straight line y equal to mx. Now, in formation of differential equation, that means here we eliminate this arbitrary constant and form the differential equation. If the equation contain given value of y contain one arbitrary constant, that means we differentiate one time. Here we consider first the equation of straight line and then differentiate this with respect to x. That means dy by dx equal to m. Now, value of m from this equation is y by x. Therefore, here we substitute the value y by x. And we write down the equation which is the first order differential equation. In this way, we form the differential equation. Now, in second example, y equal to ax square plus b, this equation contains two arbitrary constant. Therefore, we differentiate this equation two times and eliminate these two arbitrary constant value. Now, consider given here first differentiation is twice ax, and then second differentiation is twice a. Now we substitute the value of this d2y by dx square equal to twice a in equation 1 here, and which is the another formation of differential equation which does not contain the arbitrary constant values. In this way we form the differential equation. Types of differential equation. Differential equations are classified into several broad categories and divided into many subcategories. The most important categories are ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. A differential equation involving derivative with respect to single dependent independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Now in this example, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. That means single dependent and single independent variable. A differential equation involving partial derivative with respect to more than independent variables. Here in this example, u is dependent variable and x and y which are independent variables. That means u is single dependent variable and x and y are two independent variables. Concept of differential equation. Derivative form y double dash plus y dash minus 2y equal to 3. This is the derivative form. Now y dash means dy by dx and y double dash means d2y by dx square. Then we get the differential form of this differential equation. Solution of differential equation is a equation containing dependent variable and independent variable which satisfies the differential equation. Two types of solution. General solution, that means when we simplify the given differential equation, this gives the general solution, that means which contain the constant terms. Now, if the conditions are given, then apply this condition to general solution and find out the constant values, then we get the particular solution. That means general solution converts into particular solution by given condition. Ordinary differential equation is mainly divided into two parts, linear and non-linear differential equation. This linear differential equation again divided into two parts, first order and higher order differential equation. This higher order differential equation divided into two parts, constant coefficient and with variable coefficient. Now linear differential equation, and second type is non-linear differential equation. A linear differential equation is a linear polynomial in the unknown function and its derivative. For example, this. Nonlinear differential equation, that means a differential equation which cannot be written in the form of linear combination. That means example is dy by dt plus y whole square equal to 1. Now order and degree of the differential equation. Order is the order of highest derivative appearing in the differential equation, and degree is the power of the highest order derivative in the differential equation. For example, here d2y by dx square, here this equation contain highest power derivative term is d2y by dx square. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2 and power of this highest power is 2. Therefore, degree is. Now in second example, here highest derivative term is 1, therefore order of this equation is 1 and power of this dy by dx is 1, therefore degree is 1. Types of linear order differential equations. First order differential equation and higher order differential equation. In this video, we are going to discuss first order differential equation. First order first degree differential equations are solved by four methods. First is variable separable. Second method is homogeneous equation. Third is linear equation. And fourth one is exact equation. Now we solve the example of variable separable method. We consider the dy by dx term. Then separate the terms. That means here we write down e to the power minus 3x into e to the power minus 2y, second term as it is. Now from these two terms we taking e to the power minus 2y common and e to the power 3x plus x square term. Now separate the variables, that means here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, therefore we separate these y terms and x terms. Therefore, here we write down in the next step as e to the power 2y dy equal to this value. And then on integrating, we get the solution as e to the power 2y integration is e to the power 2y by 2. Then integration of this term is e to the power 3x by 3. X square integration is x cubed by 3 plus any constant value c. In this way, we separate the variables and simplify the given differential equation first order first degree, and this is the required solution. Now homogeneous equation. Now homogeneous means each term is of same degree. Therefore method is that we substitute here y equal to vx or x equal to vy. Then we find out dy by dx term v equal to v plus x dv by dx. Then secondly, the reduced equation involves v and x only and it can be solved by variable separable method. That means first one, previous method. Now we consider the example. Here degree of this each term is of 2. Therefore this is the homogeneous equation of order 2. Now here we consider equation 1. Then substitute y equal to vx, dy equal to this value. Then equation 1 becomes here dy by dx value by using this, and right hand side is x square plus v square x square upon here substitute the value of v is y equal to vx, therefore 2vx square. Now then in next step we shifted this v on right hand side, simplify the terms and find out the value of x dv by dx equal to this value. Here we taking x square common from two terms, and then this x square get cancelled, it converts into v. Now here v and x two variables. Now separate the variables. Therefore we write down this way, and then on integrating we get the required solution. Now derivative of this term in the numerator, therefore integration of this term. Now here minus of v square derivative is minus 2v, therefore we adjust your negative sign, and then log of 1 minus v square, derivative of this term in the numerator, therefore log x, its integration plus log c. Now shifted this log x on the left hand side, and then we write down the value of minus of log x equal to substitute the value of v is y by x, which is the required solution. We cancel these log terms, which gives a solution. In this way, we solve the homogeneous equations problem. Now, these ordinary differential equations, we already seen here linear differential and non-linear differential equation, then first order differential equation, and there are four methods are there to solve the first order first degree differential equation. Out of these we already seen here variable separable and homogeneous equation in part 1. Now remaining two methods, linear equation and exact equation, we will see in the part 2. Thank you.